I just sneezed by accident. Unexpectedly, the nosebleed just sprayed on the woman's hair. Her hair mirror fell off instantly. The woman ran away in panic. I also wanted to run away, but I was stopped by the man next to me. The next second, the man opened his shirt. The fur on the chest really scared the baby to death. Before I got out of the elevator, he pressed my head to his chest. As the nosebleed spread on his chest, the fur mirrors fell off instantly. I thought the hairy man would let me go, but he went crazy and locked me up. He also found some ice to soak my feet. The purpose was to force me to have more nosebleeds. Until then, I found out that this man was a beautician. He locked me up because he wanted to use my nosebleed to remove the hair on my mother-in-law's face. Because my nosebleed can not only remove the hair quickly, but also make the skin smooth and tender. My mother-in-law gave him a lot of money for this. When the man was counting money, the door of the beauty shop was suddenly pushed open. A familiar guest came in. It's not anyone else, but the man's ex-girlfriend. The man kissed her as soon as he saw her happy. He said he was his lucky goddess. After all, if he hadn't been sprayed by my sneeze, he wouldn't have found the opportunity to take revenge. My cough suddenly alarmed the woman. She was confused and pulled the curtain in the room. After seeing that she was tied to me, she was shocked. She wanted to go up and save me, but was pulled away by the man. The man also whispered to her, "As long as you keep me, they can make a lot of money." Who knew the woman would compromise in an instant? Not to mention lying on the side of the beauty bed. The man also used my nosebleed to remove the hair on her legs. The man was overjoyed. He turned around and hurried to pick up the nosebleed on my side. But when he was holding the nosebleed and ready to remove the hair for the woman suddenly splashed the nosebleed all over the man's head. At that moment, the man's hair, eyebrows, and eyelashes all lost their shine. The woman rushed over to untie my rope. Suddenly, I couldn't help but sneeze. Who knew that the nosebleed was directly corroded and tied to my rope? It's just that at this moment, I've been tormented for a long time. The woman didn't care about the front line and hurriedly helped me out. Before leaving, she took away the men's hard-earned money. At this moment, I finally believe that even if there is evil in this world, there is still a gentle love. Comment your city name.